Assalamualaikum, my friend. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm alright. What about you, sister?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing great with the grace of Almighty Allah. Thanks for asking. Today, I want to ask you some questions about your favorite teacher. So, do you have an interest to discuss about this topic?
Sure, I'm interested.
Well, according to you, the teacher is very important for students.
Of course, a teacher is a great contributor in a student's life. No student's life is fulfilled without teachers. So I think to prosper in life, to be shine in life, a student should have the guidelines of teachers to be a good person.
Well, do you have any favorite teacher?
Well, true to say, favorite teacher is not mandatory. If I talk about my opinion, I have a favorite teacher, and his name is Mr. 𝐒𝐲𝐬𝐻 sir, and he is from Chattogram, Hatayari.
Well, does he still teach you?
Of course, he teaches me still, and I am learning many new things from him nowadays.
Well, when and where did you meet him?
I met him for the first time when I was a student of class 3, and my father admitted myself in Prime English Academy, and from that time I know about Mr. 𝐒𝐲𝐻 sir.
That's good. How did he become your favorite teacher?
When I was a child, I was very naughty, and I was not interested in study. So after looking Mr. 𝐒𝐲𝐻 sir and looking the method of teaching, I get interested to study, and I have learned many practical knowledges about it. So that's how he has become my favorite teacher.
That's interesting. Does he teach you cordially?
Such a tricky question. Obviously, sir teaches all of the students very cordially, and tries to make their self clear, and gives many practical examples to make the topics very careful.
Well, which subject does he teach you?
He teaches me and all of the students English, and besides it, he also teaches us many good manners.
Which qualification impressed you to be a favorite teacher?
There are many qualifications impressed me much, like he has some qualities which are very useful to be a prosper in life, and they have some they can give us very motivational speech which can motivate us to give pressure in our study much. So which are very useful. So that's why I think there are many novel qualities made me impressive to made him as a favorite teacher.